Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're just clowning around. I'm starting off by gluing my eyebrows down. I do about 1 to 2 layers and then push brow hairs down and then do another layer on top of that. Let that dry. Go back over it about 2 or 3 more times. Let it dry. Just keep on layering until you can't see your eyebrow hairs anymore and they are fully covered. Speed up the process with a little fanning. I quickly just drew on some lines of where the makeup is going to be, and with NYX's cream paint and just the end of a brush, I'm applying that to my face, and then with a Real Techniques brush, I'm blending that out. If you prefer to use a beauty blender, you can definitely use a beauty blender to blend this out. I just prefer to use a little stiff foundation brush. I think it moves around the paint a lot easier. With a powder puff and translucent powder, I'm now doing a light powder coverage on top of the white cream paint that we've applied down. You don't want to saturate it too much in powder, else it's just going to completely dry it out. We don't want that. We still want a little bit of tackiness. Going in with some neon pigments, I'm starting out with the red pigment for my cheeks. Going in with neon green pigment, I'm now adding the little triangle above my eye, and then on the opposite eye, I'm adding it below it. Mixing it up a little bit. Going in with the neon blue, I'm now adding a triangle above the eye with a triangle underneath it. There's not really much to this look, it's just supposed to be fun. I wanted to add some little splash marks and like little watermarks, so I started adding just a little bit of water on the end of a brush and then applying it also with my finger. Going in with purple pigment on just a fluffy brush, I'm now adding that to the tip of my nose. I'm not making this precise, I want it to just be messy. With the neon pink pigment, I'm drawing out the shape of the mouth. I'll be outlining the mouth in pink, and then in the center I'm going to be using a neon orange pigment and blending that out. With a small, more precise painting brush and black body paint, I'm now just adding little designs on the clown face. Nothing perfect. I really wanted this to just be fun, not precise. Just have fun. Be you, the clown that you are. Just kidding. Show me what your inner clown looks like. I'm now drawing on the eyebrows and then going over them a few times just to make them as thick as I want them. With the black body paint, I'm now just going to go over the outline that I drew previously. I did a little shading underneath the outline, and then I decided I didn't care anymore about doing the shading, so I'm just doing the black paint over top of it. And then I'm drawing some lines to make it look like my skin is being pulled. I was planning on gluing some really sharp spikes, and then the spikes were too heavy, so that made me sad. So in place of the spikes, I just drew these little screw looking things with just silver body paint, and then drawing like a little X on top of it with black body paint. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little crazy clown look, and maybe you'll do it for Halloween. If you do, tag me. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.